Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the sweet almond oil by the brand Khadi Natural and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. Let's get started. About the brand. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, that is KVIC, started in 1963, which is affiliated with the Government of India. They used to make clothes, but now they also are in the skincare market. KVIC outsources the skincare side. Khadi Natural is one of the many brands that it is registered under KVIC to make skincare products from the year 2011. Khadi Natural is an Ayurvedic Indian brand and the products are also made in India. The products are made using herbs and are free of chemical and paraben. The brand mainly focuses on skincare and hair care. The official website also mentions that they are 100% Ayurveda, they follow WHO, GMP, and are ISO standards, and they are also cruelty free. Where did I buy it from? I bought it from an online store called Nika. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check the description box for the shopping link. Product packaging. The sweet almond oil comes in a sturdy clear plastic bottle which has a flip lid on the top for dispensing the oil. Oh, and I'm also testing out a new nail polish. Cost and lifespan of the product. The oil was 335 rupees and it has a lifespan of 36 months from date of manufacturing. Claims of the product. There are claims mentioned on the website and also claims mentioned on the product packaging. It says you'll get better skin, it is good for long and shiny hair, product is light and odorless, suitable for all skin types, it is 100% vegetarian, it is also free of chemical and paraben. Also, it is cruelty-free and it is dermatologically tested. It also has WHO and GMP certification. The ingredients. It mainly mentions sweet almond oil and base QS. How to store the sweet almond oil. It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside our cupboard. My experience with this almond oil. I'm just going to dive right into the key ingredient sections first. It mentions base QS, which means any ABC ingredient can be used to achieve an XYZ desired product. So what I understand is that all the ingredients list is not mentioned here. And also it does not say how much percentage of almond is also present in the bottle. Now I'll jump onto its consistency. The oil feels very light upon application. It does not get too sticky either. It also has a very pale yellow color and it will stain a little bit when it gets in contact with the fabric. As for fragrance, I get a very faint smell, but it does not linger. Personally, I have used this product for many things, as a cuticle oil for my nails, part of my double cleanse for face, as this oil is non-comedogenic, and also as hair oil. Do check out my salon style manicure at home video. This is the almond oil that I feature in my video. It is not very travel friendly as the oil does leak out. I also love the flip lid. This prevents the oil from reaching the outer walls of the packaging upon application. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly. It is not that travel friendly. The fragrance is very mild and it does not linger. It does come in a clear plastic storage case. Honestly, I have no idea. The brand mentions that it is cruelty free, but they have not mentioned under what it is registered. Like, is it registered under PETA, registered under Leaping Bunny? Also, PETA website has no information about this product. It is easily available for me. My rating. Even though I'm satisfied with the product, I rate this product a 1. It loses points mainly because full information is not mentioned, especially in the ingredient section where it mentions base QS. I don't feel comfortable using a product on myself without knowing exactly what is involved. Will I recommend this product to my friends? Sadly, the answer is a no. I will not recommend this product to my friends. Main reason is because the ingredients are not fully mentioned. And that's it, guys. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!